Hi, and welcome to the segment of Math Exam Questions on Geometry of Circles and Angles. Question 8. The diagram shows two parallel lines and a straight line crossing them. Write down using letters from A to G the angle that is alternate to angle X. The required angle is B. Next, the angle that is corresponding to the angle X. This is angle D. Question 23. The diagram shows two regular pentagons. Pentagon FGHJK is an enlargement of the pentagon ABCDE center O. Find angle AEK. First, we identify the internal angle of a pentagon, which in this case is 108 degrees. Next, the angle of AEK is simply half of the difference between 360 degrees and 108 degrees. Question 8. A, B, and C are points on the circle center O. Find the obtuse angle AOC. Knowing that the reflex angle in the diagram is double that of 130 degrees, the obtuse angle AOC is simply the difference between 360 degrees and this reflex angle. Question 19. JKL and M are points on the circumference of a circle with diameter JL. JL and KM intersect at N. Angle J and K is 104 degrees and angle MLJ is 22 degrees. Work out the value of D. Here are the steps. Step 1. The angle being 104, being an opposite angle against 104. Step 2. The angle is the remaining angle of the triangle MNL. Step 3. This is also the remaining angle for the right angle triangle JML. Finally, D being also 36, being an inscribed angle subtended by the same arc. Question 6a. In the diagram, ABC is a straight line. AD is parallel to BE, and the angle BAD is 34, and AB is equals to BD. Complete the statements. P is 34 degrees because ABD is an isosceles triangle. Q is 34 degrees because P and Q are alternate angles. Next, work out the value of R and the value of S. Knowing that all internal angles of a triangle sum to 180, R is 112. Likewise, S can be calculated as 56 degrees. Next, find the value of T and give a reason for your answer. T is 34 degrees because T and 34 degrees are corresponding angles. Question 6b. In the diagram, B and D are points on the circumference of a circle, center O. AC is a straight line touching the circle at B only, and B is a straight line through O. Complete the statement. Angle ABD is 90 degrees because AC is a tangent line to the circle at B. Question 4a. APC is an isosceles triangle. BCD is a straight line. Find the value of A. Angle ACB is a supplementary angle to 118 degrees. Being an isosceles triangle, angles ABC should be equal to that of ACB. The angle A can be derived by subtracting these two angles from 180 degrees. Question 4b. Find the size of one interior angle of a regular 10-sided polygon. This would be multiplying 180 degrees by 8 and then dividing it by 10. Question 4c. The points E, F, and G lie on the circumference of a circle center O. JGH is a tangent to the circle. Find the value of X and the value of Y. The line JGH being a tangent with GOE makes X just a 90 degrees minus 58 degrees. Likewise, with GFE being a right angle triangle, Y is just a 90 degrees minus X. Question 4d. In the diagram, AG and AF are straight lines. Lines BC and DE are parallel. Find angle CED and give a reason for your answer. Angle CED equals 28 degrees because it's an alternate angle with 28 degrees. Question 7a. Triangle is isosceles. One of its angles is 96. Find the other two angles. It is not possible for the given angle of 96 degrees to be one of the two identical angles, as it is larger than 90 degrees. With that being said, the other two angles can be calculated as 42 and 42 degrees respectively. Next, find the value of x. With 14x being equal to 360 degrees minus 45 degrees, x is 22.5 degrees. Question 7c. Work out the size of one interior angle of a regular polygon with 20 sides. The interior angle can be obtained by multiplying 180 degrees by 18 and dividing it by 20. Next, the diagram shows a right-angled triangle ABC. Calculate the length of AB. Applying the Pythagoras formula, AB is 7.75 meters. Question 7e. The diagram shows the vertices of a triangle lying on the circumference of a circle with center O. Find the value of B and give a reason for your answer. B is 29 degrees because the remaining corner is a right angle. Question 2a. AC is parallel to FBD. ABC is an isosceles triangle and CBE is a straight line. Find the value of x. Angle FBE is equal to angle ACB, with ABC being an isosceles triangle. Angle ACB is 180 degrees minus 26 degrees divided by 2, with x being a sublemment angle to angle FBE. X is equal to 103 degrees. Question 2b. The diagram shows a circle with diameter PQ. SPT is a tangent to the circle at P. Find the value of y. With SPT being tangent with QP, the angle QPB is 90 degrees minus 58 degrees. Using circle theorem, angle ABQ is the same as angle APQ, which is 17 degrees. Also, on circle theorem, angle ABP is 90 degrees minus 17 degrees. With that, y is equal to 180 degrees minus 73 degrees minus 32 degrees, which gives us 75 degrees. Question 7. Show that each interior angle of a regular pentagon is 108 degrees. You can show this by applying the given formula. Question 8b. The diagram shows a sector of a circle of radius 3.8 cm. The arc length is 7.7 cm. Calculate the value of y. By applying the formula in calculating arc, y is 116. Next, calculate the area of the sector. By applying y being equal to 116 degrees into the formula for calculating the area of a sector, you'll arrive at the area being 14.6. We've come to the end of this segment. Do visit our other videos in the KT tutorial channel if you found this useful.